In this video, I want to show you how we create a page template for a medieval manuscript project from a blank spread which has been folded in half. You will need a ruler, and I also like to have a longer ruler that can go from one corner of the spread to the other. And finally, you will also need a pencil. Now, my preferred pencil to create a page template is a 4H pencil. It is hard and if well sharpened will create very precise lines on a page. However, for the purpose of this video, I will use a 3B pencil instead to ensure that the lines will be well visible. The first step in creating a page template is by drawing a line from one corner to the other across the spread. The next step will consist of repeating this step 2 times for each page, this time using the inner corners created by the fold of the spread. We have now created 7 points where the lines meet. We will use the outer 4, located here, to create 2 vertical and 2 horizontal guides. Now we have divided the spread in 9 equal sections. We will use newly created crossing points here, here and there to create 2 more vertical guides. Now each page has been divided into 9 equal sections or thirds. Now we will determine the inner upper corners of the text area. This is done very simply by creating a new X shape in the top 2 sections that we created. These will be the inner upper corners of our text area. Now, we want to determine the outer upper corners of our text area. This is also very easily done by creating a new X shape, simply by taking the corners of the outer section and drawing a diagonal line. Now this and this point will form the upper edge of our text layout. Now what we want to do is determine the lower outer corner of our text area, which will be located approximately here. We cannot create a diagonal line like this because it will be too low. But if we take another section and make it a bit wider, like this, we have located the lower outer corner of our text area. Now we finally need to determine the inner lower corner of the text area, which is located about here. To locate it, we will kind of do the same as we did for the upper sections. We will now draw it from this corner to this one. And then we can create the X shape in the lower 2 sections. And we've determined the inner lower corner of the text area. Now, we created a page layout for a book in the ratio of 2:3. You can use this exact same technique for a book in the ratio of 3:4.